Okay, guys, so we got this Grand Cherokee here. It's let's see what year this is. 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And it has a downstream auction sensor lean code. So what I want to do is I want to bring up live data, see if this thing's running lean. And maybe that one's only triggering. They said they replaced I don't know if it was 3 or 4 auction sensors because they said it kept jumping from sensor to sensor. They kept getting codes after they put a trans in this. So let's see, let's go to, see, we need short-term and long-term fuel trim. Oh, where are they at? And we're also going to need our auction sensor voltages. Oh, right here, long-term, short-term. We need our auction sensors. Let's see, 0 to 1 volt, 0 to 1 volt. Let's see, I'll just show these. Let's see what happens here. I'll record this. Let these warm up, and these should start coming down. Oh, hang on a second. Guys, I came in my freeze frames, and if you look, we can see our mileage. You see our code right there. Scroll down here. Our fuel trims were good. Scroll down more. We can see that our engine temp, fuel being used, ethanol. Oh, maybe it just always says ethanol. Why does this look like it wasn't even... I wonder if we have fuel pressure. Well, this had to be running because if we come up here, intake air ambient was 48, but then our engine coolant temp was 104. So 821 was our engine RPM. So I'm gonna go back and see if this code's set again. I'm gonna save this data. So guys, look at this. Bank 1, sensor 1 looks fine, cycling. Bank 1, sensor 2 looks fine. Bank 2, sensor 1 is not cycling. Bank 2, sensor 2 is rock solid. Let me see something. So bank 2, if we give this gas, it'll drop down. But we have no cycling, which I think is weird. So there it went lean for a split second. I think they have a bad bank 2 sensor 1 sensor. So yeah, I think something's wrong with that bank 2 sensor 1. This whole thing is weird. I think there's going to be a problem with the other bank. Or like, I don't know if they can get sensors mixed up. See, because bank 2 is like stuck rich. Something's not adding up here. This ain't making any sense. Let's go back. Let's see if we got trouble codes. Pending 2098. That's on bank. So that's bank 2. Let's go back to these. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to try resetting the ECU. I'm going to go in here. We're going to press all memory. Okay guys, so what I want to do is I want to go into special functions. Reset memory. Oh, I don't have the key on. Let's see, reset memory. Let's go okay. And we want to do all adaptives. I don't know if this will fix it, but we're going to try. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over, press reset ECU. See if this works. Stuck with the key. I tried to film this first and then my phone stopped recording. So let's go live data. See if this works. Let's go to sensor 1, sensor 2, 3. That one. We'll just look at our fuel trims. Show selected. Graph. 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 Just graph all these. Do set Y 0 to 1. I wish you could just like set these and just have them default based on name. There we go. Look at that. That looks so much better. Put this in gear. We'll let this go. Go back in park. Man, we are cycling. So I'm going to let this sit here for a little bit and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so it seems to be working fine now. My voltage is a little low, but I think it turns the heaters off once you sit here for a while because they start dropping and then they'll go back up. Like I can give it gas and make them go up. See that? So I'm going to have them drive this and see if it fixes it. Let's go check codes, see if we have any codes. No codes, look at that. And it was setting before, just sitting here idling. So hope you guys like this one. See you later.